journey of love, it's natural for relationships to hit rough patches, where one partner might feel neglected or disconnected. If you've noticed your boyfriend becoming distant or preoccupied lately, it might be time to shake things up a bit and remind him of the amazing girlfriend he has. Making him jealous when done right can be a catalyst for reigniting the passion and strengthening the bond between you two. However, it's essential to approach this delicate game with caution and sincerity, ensuring that the ultimate goal is not to hurt him, but to strengthen your connection. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore strategies to make him sit up and take notice while maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Chapter 1. Making him jealous. 1. Spend more time with your friends. One effective way to make him jealous is by showing him that you have a fulfilling life beyond your relationship. Spend quality time with your friends and engage in enjoyable activities together. Strengthen your friendships by prioritizing regular hangouts and bonding activities, and be present in the moment. Share highlights of your adventures on social media, giving him a glimpse into the exciting life you lead. 2. Keep your cool. If you notice him flirting with others, resist the urge to react impulsively. Address the situation calmly and express your feelings maturely. Engage him in a candid conversation about boundaries and expectations in your relationship, focusing on building trust and understanding. 3. Wait to respond. Avoid responding to his messages immediately. Take your time to craft a thoughtful response, or wait until you're in the right mindset. Use this time to engage in self-care activities and pursue your interests, sparking his curiosity and leaving him wanting more. 4. Hang out with other guy friends. Spend time with your platonic guy friends and engage in innocent activities together. Maintain clear boundaries and assure your boyfriend that these friendships are purely platonic. Be transparent about your interactions with other guys to build trust and alleviate jealousy. 5. Do his favorite things with someone else. Enjoy his favorite activities with others and share glimpses of your adventures on social media. Strike a balance between sharing your experiences online and being present in the moment, avoiding overposting or appearing contrived. 6. Make a big change in your appearance. Boost your confidence by updating your look. Experiment with subtle changes to enhance your natural beauty and reflect your personal style. Embrace change as an opportunity for self-expression and growth, letting your inner beauty shine. Chapter 2. Maintaining a healthy relationship. 1. Remember, communication is key. Establish a safe and supportive environment for open communication within your relationship. Practice active listening and use I statements to express your concerns assertively and respectfully. Collaborate with your boyfriend to identify areas of improvement and prioritize effective communication. 2. Explain that you feel neglected. Initiate a constructive conversation with your boyfriend about your feelings of neglect in the relationship. Use assertive communication techniques to express your concerns and encourage him to share his perspective. Collaborate to identify practical solutions for addressing the issues contributing to your feelings of neglect. 3. Stop trying to manipulate each other. Acknowledge the harmful effects of manipulation on your relationship and commit to fostering honesty and transparency in your interactions. Cultivate self-awareness and mindfulness to challenge manipulative patterns in your behavior. Communicate openly with your boyfriend about your feelings, needs, and boundaries. 4. End your relationship. If it's going poorly, evaluate the overall health and dynamics of your relationship, considering whether it's worth salvaging. Have an open and honest conversation with your boyfriend about your concerns and feelings regarding the relationship. Prioritize self-care and surround yourself with supportive individuals as you navigate this challenging decision. Conclusion. By following these strategies, you can navigate the complexities of making him jealous while maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Remember, the key is to prioritize open communication, mutual respect, and authenticity in your interactions. Embrace your confidence, express your needs, and strive to foster a strong and resilient bond with your boyfriend. It's time to take control of your relationship, reignite the flame, and make him sit up and take notice. Are you ready? Let's do this.